Hi, my name is Paul Scherable and I'm a painter, illustrator and graphic designer. I've created illustrations for magazines, theater productions and companies like the Folio Society, Austria Microsystems and the Swiss Engineering Institute. Experimentation lies at the heart of my work. I use gouache, charcoal and mixed media, and I often color the final illustration in Photoshop. This allows me to create an atmosphere on the paper that really resonates with me and that communicates part of my inner world. In the process, I get completely immersed and forget about everything around me. This sense of pleasure is the great trick to produce illustrations that communicate and fascinate. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to explore mixed media in illustration, both analog and digital. For the final project, you will create a cover illustration for a music album or any other inspiring motif that you really like. To get started, we will look at some materials that you can use, and we'll go through some ways to explore charcoal and gouache. I will give you some tips and exercises to unlock your creativity, and I'll introduce you to composition and color rules. Then we'll learn how to develop an idea and find references. Next, we'll work on our sketch and our final drawing. We'll explore charcoal, gouache and pasting. Once we have our piece, we will digitalize it, color it using Photoshop and save it for different purposes. Finally, we will analyze both versions of our final image, the analog and the digital one. By the end of this course, you will know how to produce an intriguing image that can stir the viewer's imagination. You will need tracing paper, toned paper, charcoal, gouache and brushes. You will also use masking film, a kneaded eraser and a computer with Photoshop. Follow me on this journey of media exploration and feel free to bring your own ideas to life.